Welcome to Evidentia. We help curate large quantities of science data and documents. How we do this is an evidence scan. We have a database of papers, patents, PhD theses, and clinical trial data, and we will filter these out based on your research goal and provide a high-level summary, which you can see here. We also put them into buckets of evidence that you specify. So in this case, we wanted CRISPR modalities, and we have filtered them in this format. We also put this in a table format, so you can search this and export it out. You'll notice we have two different numbers here because we do an initial search and pull in all the relevant documents we can find, and then we do a rigorous verification step. So you can see here for papers, we have 840 verified documents. What it means to be verified is we process the full text, and you see in the quotation marks here, this is a direct quote from this source material. So if I went to this source, which I could do by clicking this link, I would find this sentence here. Because we have the full text, we can use the models to find the information we want, and then use the full text to verify this information is real and not hallucinated. And you'll see here, there's a section for review, things that are missing text, and things we've deemed not relevant after further information processing. We also have a research agent on the side here that uses these verified docs to answer specific questions. So you can filter how much context you want if you just want to ask the thesis and also include the internet or not. So you can ask very specific questions on this corpus of knowledge. We have an expert network, and this is how we get unpublished data. We reach out to authors in the field and we try to get their negative data in association to their existing publications, and they're often quite eager to share this because it boosts their work. The final thing we offer is data extraction. So this is a very detailed second layer of extraction. We haven't run it on this topic here, but I can show you another example to show what this looks like. And what we do is we specify the exact information we want as a table. So these are all parameters that we have specified, and we run a second full text analysis on the verified documents and extract this information. And you can see this is extremely detailed and put into a table format. You can search it or download it as a CSV. And again, you can actually ask the research agent here. In this case, it will answer in regards to this table specifically. You can also ask about one specific document. So in this case, I am interested in number 200. If I say at 200, tell me about this patent, it will answer the question in regards to this specific patent. So you have three levels you can navigate your knowledge of corpus. You can do it across the entire corpus. You can do it in the data extraction for a really rigorous and detailed data set. And you can do it for a specific document. And you can see here, it's answered my question in regards to this single document because it has its full text as context. That is how Evidentia works. If you are sick of pursuing dead-end leads in the publications, then reach out to us and we can help you find where the untapped science is, so you can spend less time on dead ends and more time commercializing truly novel and groundbreaking science.